Have you ever wondered what niacinamide is and how it can benefit your skin? This magical ingredient, popping up in more and more skincare products, is a form of vitamin B3 that works wonders for various skin concerns. But how exactly does it work, and what can it do for your skin? Hang tight, we're about to dive into the world of niacinamide. Niacinamide is a potent component that can address a wide range of skin problems, from fine lines and wrinkles to acne and eczema, discoloration, rosacea, large pores, oily skin, and even sun damage. It's like an all-in-one tool for your skin's needs. But it doesn't stop there. Niacinamide also restores the moisture barrier function of the skin, producing ceramides to reduce dehydration. It helps regulate oil secretion and skin cell turnover, contributing to a healthier and more balanced complexion. This powerful antioxidant neutralizes free radicals in your skin, promoting repair and rejuvenation. It's like a mini spa treatment for your skin cells, helping them heal and renew. It's also a team player, combining well with other active ingredients and is generally well tolerated by most people. Now, you may be wondering, how much niacinamide should you use? Concentrations of 2 to 10% are recommended, but remember, more isn't always better. Higher concentrations can potentially cause irritation, and, just like any good skincare regimen, patience is key. Results may take 8 to 12 weeks to become noticeable. A word of caution though, niacinamide should not be used simultaneously with vitamin C products. This combination can cause redness and irritation, especially in sensitive skin. So, make sure to alternate their usage in your skincare routine. In summary, niacinamide is a versatile and potent skincare ingredient that can address a multitude of skin concerns. It restores moisture, reduces dehydration, regulates oil and cell turnover, and promotes skin repair and rejuvenation. It's an all-rounder that can help you achieve healthier, happier skin. But remember, skincare is personal. What works wonders for one person might not work the same for another. So always listen to your skin and don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. After all, great skin is a journey, not a destination. So go ahead and explore the world of niacinamide. Your skin might thank you for it.